क्यों ये चीज़ लगी हुई है यहाँ? Like, what is this? We didn't ask for it. No, come here. Point, touch this. Touch this thing. Yes, this specific thing. Pull this down. Yep. And then there's these wires running to the head unit right up there. What is that for? That's a separate thing. That's always there. This external thing that's been put on.
So I don't know. If you wanted to go talk with the Baji.
Ajo. This is highly illegal.
We don't
So say that again. Not every RAV4 has it, but this particular one does for some reason.
Your car has it. I don't know if all RAV4s have it. They change things year to year, so I don't keep up with them enough to know which years have what things. But we didn't add anything to your car. That's part of your car.